Why is my heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system leaking water into my ceiling? Most of the time this happens because the condensate drain line is clogged, which causes water to back up and overflow instead of draining outside like it is supposed to. Think of your indoor unit like a little dehumidifier that pulls moisture out of the air and turns it into water droplets. That water is supposed to drip down into a small pan and then travel through a thin drain line, kind of like a straw, out to the outside of your house. Over time, gunk, dust, and even a slimy algae can build up inside that little straw and block it completely, sort of like a clogged sink drain. When that happens, the water has nowhere to go, so it fills up the pan until it spills over the edges. If your unit sits in your attic, that overflow drips right through the ceiling below it. Something a lot of people do not know is that many systems have a backup pan or a small float switch that is supposed to shut the whole system off before it overflows, but if that part is missing, broken, or was never installed correctly, the water just keeps coming with nothing to stop it. One common mistake is ignoring a small water stain on the ceiling, thinking it will just dry out and go away, when really it is a warning sign that the clog is getting worse, so check it as soon as you notice it. Another mistake is never getting that drain line cleaned or flushed, so it is smart to have someone rinse it out with a mixture of water and vinegar every few months to keep algae from building up. People also forget to check whether their safety float switch is even working, so ask a technician to test it during your next visit so it can actually do its job and shut things off before real damage happens. If you need help with this kind of project, you can search for trusted and affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Job Bid Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list their jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.